Hey, what's up guys? My name is Maximilian, I'm part of VizMaker and Viz Academy team, and today I'm going to show you how to extract any texture directly from an image using VizMaker. Once we have all of our images that we want to extract textures from, the only thing that we will have to do is to press left mouse button on our image, type this prompt, which I'll also show to you in the description of the video. Then we will switch resolution to 2K, aspect ratio to 1:1. And then we will enlarge this window, use the draw function, and we can mark a spot that we want to extract. Then we will just simply press make. And we can repeat this for all of our images. Just be sure that each time you will delete the red arrow that we used before. We can also extract this tile texture from the floor. Let's go back to the main view, and we will do the same for this image. But in this case, I want to have a texture of this sofa, so I'll press make for that one. And from this image, we can extract, let's say, floor tiles. And let's press make. And now we can see that we got all of our results. And let's just take a look. So from here, we got exactly the thing that we had here on the wall. In this case, I wanted to have those tiles that we had on the floor. It changed the color a little bit, but we could also generate it once again and specify in a prompt that we want to have exact material like this, and we can also specify that it should be red, but it's also fine. In here, we got a perfect sofa material, which we could use already in SketchUp. And lastly, we got our tiles. And what else could we do with those images? We can also upscale them. So let's say that in this case, I want to have this image, but in a little bit better quality. So then I have to just switch to Image Upscaler. In here, I can choose Magnific Precision. That's the most precise tool that we have for upscaling images. So now we just have to press Upscale and make. And for this image, let's say from those tiles, I would also like to get displacement texture. So I can go to Image Editor once again, and in here I can just type this prompt. Create displacement texture. And the only thing that you have to do is to press make. And let's take a look at those results. So let's compare A and compare B. And we got a texture right now which is even more precise than before, and quality also increased. And if we will zoom in, we can see it even better. So now we can use it even for close-ups. And let's take a look at our displacement map. And as we can see, this one is quite good. We could also increase contrast a little bit, but the most important thing is that we got those black lines in between tiles. So it is kinda what we needed. And that's how you can create textures from any image that you upload to VizMaker and generate it easily, upscale it, or also generate displacement or normal maps. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next tutorials.